I'm Shafali, CEO of ICSS Engineering. I'm glad to introduce our industrial Internet of Things platform called IOT Cloudware. It's a whole bunch of solutions including hardware and software for industrial Internet of Things, SCADA over cloud, local SCADA system deployment, machine-to-machine communication over cloud, local HMI, cloud-enabled HMI, industrial protocol converters, and more. These solutions are to contribute to Industry 4.0 demands and enabling smart factories. How is IoT Cloudware solutions different from others in international market? There are IIoT solutions available in market from automation industry giants like General Electric, Siemens, ABB, Emerson, Honeywell, Schneider Electric, etc., which are maturing exponentially on continuous basis and have quite productive SCADA reporting and advanced analytics features in them. How advanced features are being introduced inspire us to mature our solutions. We are very confident in what we are offering is productive and competitive to other solutions available in the market. Solutions being offered in market are quite expensive and can only be afforded by the huge industries. Where our solutions are cost effective, that even medium and small size businesses can afford them. We consider these as our target markets. Brand names certainly have earned themselves respect after years of providing reliable solutions to their customers. We intend to do the same, and over time our profile will be mature enough that will be considered among the respectable brand names in industrial automation products and service manufacturers. Why choose IoT Cloudware solutions? Because we are offering turnkey customized solutions per your requirements in a cost-effective manner, as our solutions most of the time can come pre-configured with minimal effort required to commission them. That saves our customers big time on their engineering costs. I mentioned before in my discussion that our solutions are cost competitive in reference to what the competitors are offering. How we are able to achieve that? Almost all of the industrial automation software solutions are based on Microsoft products like Windows, Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft Office. Our products and solutions are fully compatible with Windows, but are also compatible with open source products like Linux distributions, MySQL, LibreOffice, etc. That gives us option to save our and customers cost on third-party paid softwares, where we highly support and always look forward to donate to the open source products that we use. Industrial automation systems are based on computers and servers with high hardware specifications, where our solutions are also scalable from the huge servers all the way to the single chip PCs like Raspberry Pi. That gives us distinguishing edge over other competitors in cutting our and customers' costs. Our competitors rely on third-party cloud services to offer cloud-enabled SCADA systems or integration projects, where we have developed and deployed our own virtual private servers on bulletproof hosting platforms to service cloud requirements. So far, we have been successful in achieving results with our products without using any third-party softwares. That also saves us and customers cost, as we are the ones developing and maintaining our technologies without involving any third parties. Third-party automation and SCADA softwares don't come cheap and always require additional software licenses to add additional SCADA features like web interfaces, mobile applications, cloud integration, etc. Where we do not sell our customers softwares, we always intend to sell our customers turnkey solutions customized to their requirements. Our solutions can work within local environment as well as cloud-enabled environment. Other brands offer cybersecurity for cloud-enabled solutions at additional costs, where we have already incorporated cybersecurity at each stage of design and development of our products and solutions. Who are our potential customers? Original equipment manufacturers, and that will be in multiple cases. We're going to take each of the case studies. Like for the first case study, OEMs looking for adding cloud features as validation services to their products so that they can ease their customer with letting them access productive information regarding monitoring, control and maintenance of the product in a presentable fashion over their phones. tablets or laptops from anywhere in the world. Value addition to products lead to happy customers, ultimately increasing product company credibility and sales. OEMs will get their own customized mobile applications, and IoT Cloudware solutions enable OEM establish their customer support center where they can monitor diagnostics and operations of their sold products, provide predictive maintenance services to their customers, which will ensure high level of customer satisfaction by increasing availability and operation of the product. Provide reactive maintenance in a more productive fashion, as the OEM maintenance personnel will already have an idea of what kind of problems to expect at site, which tools will they require for the job, can the problem be fixed on site or product has to be brought to the service center. To summarize, the maintenance personnel or customer support will be making informed decisions and saving companies' efforts and time. The customer support services can be offered by OEM to customer for free or as a package subscription model to generate another way revenue. We can support OEMs will be the one who wish to increase integration options for their products in terms of how data is relayed to or from their product. They can opt for customized IoT Cloudware industrial protocol converter solutions to add industrial and IIoT communication protocol options like OPC UA server client, Modbus TCP server client, Modbus RS485 master slave, or some protocols like SNMP. For their products, as industry is moving from its third revolution technologies to the fourth revolution, continuously adding more integration options to existing or new products is the key to keep up with the industry demands that our protocol converters. Another way we can support original equipment manufacturers will be who wish to add a cost-effective customized HMI solution for their product without procuring additional software licenses or specialized hardware can opt for our IoT Cloudware local HMI solutions. They can also offer IoT Cloudware enabled HMI for their products which only requires internet access over Wi-Fi or Ethernet anywhere possible. It comes with a user-friendly interface for configuration. No technical expertise are required on customer's part. Manufacturing industry also get a whole bunch of benefits out of IoT Cloudware local or cloud-enabled SCADA solutions. Management can securely and effectively monitor and control their industrial key performance indicators, production figures, HSE-related factors, costs, efficiency from their phones, tablets, or laptops in real time. Get auto-generated customized reports which will support their decision-making process. Get customized analytics to identify areas of improvement. Get historical information in a productive way. Get industry's data integrated with their existing or new ERP systems to accelerate business automation. Operations can securely and effectively monitor and control industrial assets to optimize production figures, support locally or remotely other colleagues from operations and maintenance to resolve abnormal process scenarios. Always refer to historical data to conduct root cause analysis activities. Besides operations, maintenance get these benefits. Get real-time diagnostic data of machines to perform predictive maintenance. Achieve better understanding of any abnormal scenario so that they can attend to it well prepared and resolve the issue in minimum amount of time. Get historical information and reports to identify bad actors and resolve them to increase operational reliability of their industrial assets. Control system integration and industrial automation companies can also be one of our clients. Control system integration and industrial automation companies can integrate IoT Cloudware products in their proposed solutions to meet customers' project requirements. A distinguishing edge they will get are better margins, pre-engineered customized solutions per their requirement to lessen their effort on project execution, ultimately saving their own project costs. Other technology companies that wish to become our partners and to host and provide industrial Internet of Things solutions to the global or respective local markets. Companies that are looking for secure and reliable machine-to-machine communication over cloud, they can also be one of our clients. In non-mission critical applications, such approaches can save big time on initial hardware and software costs as well as maintenance costs. We are very excited to be part of this industrial 4.0 revolution or industrial internet. We have worked a lot on how we acquire the data, how to present the data in real time, and are very excited to showcase it to it. We have created some demonstrations, documentation that we have already uploaded onto our website. We understand that they need a lot of work to be done, but on the other hand, they're functioning. And we have already deployed them on sites. You can see the reference videos on our YouTube channel. Please feel free to ask us as many questions as you want to have a better understanding, and please let us know if you come across any requirements. This is Shaf Ali signing off. Thank you.